7 simple steps to installing the VARTA.wall. The scope of delivery includes the items shown in the picture. The number of battery modules varies depending on the selected expansion stage. Firstly, the installation of the VARTA.wall is prepared. Please ensure correct placement and room temperature during installation. All installation conditions can also be found in the operating instructions. The first box contains the master and base unit. Open the box at the marked point and remove the base unit first. Now start the installation. The dust cover for the battery plug is already located on the base unit. First, screw 2 retaining brackets to the designated location on the base unit. The foot in the center is pre-assembled. The left and right feet can be used to level out any unevenness in the floor. Once the base unit is aligned horizontally and vertically and is stable, you can start fixing it to the wall. For this purpose, mark the drill holes at the marked locations and drill them. After that, the base unit can be attached to the wall by screwing it in place using the retaining brackets. Make sure to leave a gap of approximately 2 centimeters between the wall and the base unit. For the next step, open a battery module box at the marked point and first remove the drilling template. Place it on the base unit, mark the drill holes at the marked positions, and drill the wall holes. Now remove the battery module. Remove the dust cover from the base unit and place it on the plug of the battery module. Then simply attach the module to the base unit using the mounting handles. You can then remove the mounting handles again. First, screw the mounting brackets to the battery module and then to the wall, aligning the module accordingly. Proceed in the same way with all other battery modules. The last element to be installed is the master unit. When removing the unit, check that the switch is set to 0 service. Remove the cover panel and set it aside. Now attach the 2 retaining brackets to the master unit at the specified positions. With the help of the template, the drill holes for the master unit can also be marked and drilled. Remove the dust cover from the last battery module and place the master unit on the module. Here, screw the component to the wall again using the retaining brackets. Finally, check once again whether the entire VARTA.wall storage unit is horizontally aligned, and if necessary, make further adjustments. You can document the expansion stage, including voltage and power data, on the tie plate of the master unit. Now connect the inverter. A sufficient cable length should be taken into account. Assemble the cables using the plug supplied. In the next step, select the rubber seals based on the conductor cross-section and place them around the cables. Push the rubber seals with the cables into the cable gland. Rubber seals are also inserted into the other recesses of the cable bushing. These are closed with rubber plugs. Close the cable bushing and screw it tight to the cable recess from above. Now connect the cables to the storage system. They must click into place. Fasten the PE cable at the marked point using the screw from the accessory pack. Finally, seal the connection area with the screws supplied. To commission the storage system, the VARTA Install app and the storage system must be started. Log in with your certified installer account and create a new commissioning. After the storage system has been recognized, you will be guided step by step through the initial commissioning. Please remember to still remind your customer of the final warranty registration.